Alright guys, this is a video for the challenge Ham Radio Dude has put up, and he'd asked us to build a CW key out of items we got from the thrift store. So let's see what I got. 3.5mm audio cable, a cheap glove, and a set with these things that you need to put on these, I don't know, snap buttons? Is that what they're called on clothes? Let's see what we can make out of this. So here's what I did. I put on these snaps onto a couple of fingers of the glove and connected it up with, wired it up with the TRS audio cable. And we should have a CW glove key thing. Okay, the DAS, the DITs. Okay, yes. Connect them. No, it's not that easy. Huh. Thanks for the challenge, dude. It was great fun. I think it's certainly not the best key I ever built. So to sign off, I better take this one. Bye.